It is a very special combination. I never had something like this before. Look how creamy this is. And we secured another... This was the #1 recommendation of the house, not only because of the Orecchiette. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of our Taste of Food series. We have just arrived in Monopoli. That gives already the name of today's episode. Welcome to the Taste of Monopoli. We are right now at the top of our apartment for tonight, slowly moving into the evening hours. People are outside going out for dinner. We will be one of them. Let's go downstairs and make our first steps in Monopoli. Almost the entire old town is in this white marble stone. Every single building looks so clean. Tomorrow morning, this will be an incredibly beautiful walk. What we see here is the old historic harbor. There are even some fishermen over there. We are now in the sunset hours. I love this whole picture with the sky. And we even have some live music over there. I can highly recommend you this spot for sunset viewing with the sky, the clouds, this cute little old fisher boat. It makes up for a nice setting for pictures. It's quite easy to get to, so we walked from this point over there. This was the entrance. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we go back to the old town. Finally, it's dinner time. Enough sightseeing, let's get straight to the food. I'm so hungry. Ciao. Okay, we are incredibly lucky. We have a table. I'm so ready to check out their menu. Buonasera. Ciao. Oh, we have insights into the kitchen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our first course arrived. We have here tagliatelle pasta with tomato red sauce, topped with stracciatella cheese, fresh tuna tartare, and crushed pistachio. It is a very special combination. I never had something like this before. Let's dive in. And as always, buon appetito. I love the red tomato sauce. It has a little bit of a spice. The tuna tartare, extremely tender, topped with this crushed pistachio, adding a little bit of a bite to it. This combination is incredibly delicious. We have officially arrived in Monopoli. You see, we have a basket of bread. I can't wait to take a slice and then go through the sauce. Look how creamy this is. This will be an incredible bite. We take a slice like this, and then we combine the bread. We go for the sauce. This is how the plate has to look like when you finish your meal. This is our swordfish steak, ladies and gentlemen. And here you see the thickness of the steak. You don't even need a knife for this one. Let's take a bite immediately with this sauce. I'm quite curious what is inside of this. Let's go. The sauce has a mayonnaise base with these pistachios. It adds a little bit of a different twist to it. And that was our dinner here in Monopoli. It was a great first start into this food tour. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for something sweet. Let's go to the next spot. And that means, as always, ice cream time. We are standing in front of Gasperini. According to my research, also one of the greatest here in Monopoli. Caffè leccese? Yes. They have also these pastries here, but we are not allowed to try them. We will be having these in another city in the coming episodes, so stay tuned for that. And we secured another bucket full of ice cream. Let's quickly search a quiet corner and make a taste test. I followed with the recommendation. Caffè leccese Everyone ordered it. The bucket was empty. Somebody had to prepare a fresh bucket, and we were the lucky ones to have the first portion of it. The second recommendation was... Oh, it's melting. The second recommendation was almond, which I just got a taste. Oh man. Okay, this one is also really good. Oh, it's really dripping. Oh. It's really good. I rarely get ice cream from these gelaterias where the ice cream is in an open space like this one. Yeah, I just wanted to follow a little bit the recommendations I got. So this is our beauty right here, ladies and gentlemen. Almond and coffee leccese. The coffee is underneath, so we have to work our way through. I get a good scoop of the almond. And there are almond chunks here. As always, buon appetito. Very rich almond flavor. Oh, this is great. Coffee leccese. It's the coffee from Lecce. It's a city we will be visiting soon for one of our next food tours. Let's try. Wow. It's not like your typical coffee ice cream. Yeah, the recommendation was spot on. In the coffee leccese there are chunks as well, but I don't know what exactly. So overall, incredibly delicious ice cream. Good choice. Gasperini, grazie. With this little magic trick, it's sunrise time. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's 5 o'clock right now, and as you can see in the background, we have managed to wake up. This is part of the taste of Monopoli. It's not only about the food, it's also about the people, how the city is, the vibes, the energy, the atmosphere. What I mean with atmosphere and setting is something like this. Take a look. This is one of the big walls, part of the old town. You see there are old cannons from ancient times where they had to protect the city. At the same time, in the distance, there are big boats, smaller fisher boats going out. There is the sun. Wow, oh my God. And it goes so fast.
Okay. Sorry? You paid
With this being said, buongiorno in Monopoli. Our food tour here continues. This is the start in our morning. Quick sip of espresso. Then we move over to our first big food spot of the day.
Special cup today, okay?
And first of all, I love the atmosphere here. There are so many details. There is even a Monopoly version of Monopoly. I eat everything.
Okay.
But is there like a standout dish that is like the most popular?
Okay, also this one. So orecchiette with meatballs.
I know it's already overdue. This is the first time having Orecchiette here on our food tours. This was the #1 recommendation of the house, not only because of the Orecchiette. The main star has to be the sauce bolognese. They told me this one is cooking for 4 hours. And for our first bite, as always, we take a little bit of everything. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, buon appetito. The bolognese sauce is on point. You can really taste that this one was cooking for several hours. I love that this tomato sauce is not so much on the sweeter side. The meatballs are extremely tender. For the orecchiette, you have this chewiness. It is a very nice twist to what we are used to when we have the spaghetti and so on. And our final move here is clear. We have a lot of the good stuff left. We do it like this. Let me show you. First, I would like to add a little bit more of the cheese, just to make this last bite even tastier. We take some of the bread. This was so delicious. We have to follow up and try their tiramisu. Oh wow. Grazie mille. Buon appetito. No words needed, but still, quick thoughts. This is for me a clear 10 out of 10. A very balanced coffee flavor. You can still taste the biscuit the lady fingers used here. The cream is incredibly rich, but it's still not too heavy. Portion size is perfect, so it's not overly filling. For me, I love tiramisu. My mouth is, by the way, watering just by looking at this and explaining. Let me get another bite. That was our last bite. Incredibly delicious. If you visit this place, please order the tiramisu. Ciao, ciao. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Mach ich. Ciao. Wow. Spaghetti d'Italia, grazie mille. They were so welcoming. It was such a relaxed atmosphere. The meal itself was incredibly delicious. But here again, what stands out is the friendliness of everybody there. We had orecchiette, incredibly delicious with the bolognese sauce and the meatballs. Comfy food that I could enjoy every single day. And the kindness and the friendliness of everybody working there is part of the taste of Monopoli. Now it's time to go back to our rental car because our trip continues with the Taste of series. We have arrived at our rental car and it's time to continue our road trip through the Puglia region. That brings us unfortunately to the end of today's episode, the Taste of Monopoli. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss out the next episode, which will be another road trip adventure. We are visiting iconic villages, also having some incredible food spots on our list. I have one that might be the most legendary street food spot in all of this region. I wish you a wonderful time and I'm looking forward to see you again for another Taste of episode here from Puglia. Until then, have a great time, take care and ciao ciao.